Kızı.
There are no rules but one. Drink Jägermeister at minus 18 degrees Celsius.
But you mentioned earlier for the birds that the species burst out even today. So is it that birds actually jump-started evolution and not that evolution jump-started the birds? If you get me.
I feel like that's kind of a more philosophical question.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, no. I see what you're getting at. Like, the explosion should be a radiation in response to opportunity, right? Evolution is always about good enough and opportunity. And so when organisms either can evolve into a new habitat that's sort of underused, we kind of see with whales and evolving into the water and stuff like that too. You can see rapid evolution that fills a lot of niches. Otherwise, to be honest, rapid evolution is often bad. Rapid evolution, like you're not moving into new underused parts of the environment, actually usually means that you're stressed. During the age of dinosaurs, the Mesozoic, there was like lizards and then a bunch of other lizard-like animals that also were there, Rancosaurs at the same time. Rancocephalians, sorry. And the lizards evolved really well, and the tuatar-like relatives did poorly, but the tuatar-like relatives, if you don't know, the tuatar is a very lizard-like animal, lives in South America, but it's not a lizard. It's still alive today. It's the last of this group. But they'd evolved really fast during the Mesozoic compared to the lizards because they were being stressed by the lizards. The lizards were actually apparently doing really well, and they were struggling to, keep up, so to speak. And that led to rapid evolution, which we intuitively think should be good, but was really just a sign that they were under a lot of stress all the time. And then their rate of extinction went up until we only had a couple lineages, and now we only have the one alive today. So,
yeah. Imagine the level of stress when you see a fireball in the sky.
Right. The end of the Cretaceous, you're like, uh-oh, it's going to be a bad day for the next century.
Well, but we should be thankful for that, because if mass extinction of the dinosaurs didn't happen, would we actually as humans be here today?
No, we would not be. Yeah, absolutely. That was a good day for us. It was bad for the egg-laying mammals and probably a lot of marsupials, but the placental mammals, which had never been the most common mammals really in most of the Mesozoic, it was a good day for them ultimately. Although it probably sucked to go through it at the time, right?
Yeah.
Like several economies came out of World War II doing very good, but I don't think most of them looked at World War II and went, oh yeah, that was a good thing for us.
That's a good example. Yeah. We need to have a reboot every now and then.
We stay genuine, uncensored and unscripted, and we always will, as we have to order our usual. Share us and subscribe us, and stay tuned until the next Wednesday. Iguzo!